Hello guys, this is Deepak and my first video in which I show you a wonderful product, totally handmade washing machine, which was made up of old scrap and which was a total amenities for majority of people and also a lot of benefit related to electricity or health. This time I have come with another house amenities portable AC, which is also made up of scrap materials. This invention of mine is especially for those who doesn't get proper electricity in the time it is needed the most. It is also helpful for students in the absence of power supply. So guys, let me check how it's work. After pouring the ice in the cylindrical pipes, you just has switch on the button. Okay. After pouring ice in the cylindrical pipe, you just has to switch on the button. The result giving same feel like brand AC in couple of minutes. Okay. Guys, without AC, ice it work like simple fan. Otherwise it provides nice cooling and maintained it up to 2 to 3 hours. And I have already added one more feature in it, that is LED lights, which is also useful for study and other work. Okay, in this AC we have two DC motors, this one, a one luminous chargeable 12-volt battery. The battery work at least 6 to 7 days on complete charging. Okay. So guys, this AC is portable, lightweight, and it works in the absence of power supply. Thanks for watching. भाई सिद्धि गल आ, गर्मियां आ गई ते बत्ती भी बहुत जानी आ, आपां दा कर लिया जुगाड़, तुसीं देख।
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. with your body.